guys, it's SC Cuban Club here, and today we're going to see how many 3x3s I can solve, how my dad solves a 2x2. So, I'm going to ask my dad a couple questions first, and then we'll get into this. So, what method do you use?
Just the beginner method, which actually picked up from your 2x2 tutorial video. It was really good because it had the algorithms on there. You gave a lot of good tips, only about 5 minutes long. After I watched it like 2 times, I had a really good idea of working my way around the 2x2.
Thank you. So, what is your PB, personal best?
Yeah, I did get 18 seconds once, kind of lucked out with that. My average is more around 55 seconds to a minute, which will never win me a tournament.
So, let's get into this.
Alright, so Dylan will try and lap his times as he completes 3x3s, and I'm still working on 2x2s here. Ready, set, go. And solved. 53 seconds.
And my Yushin time was 45.
45.
Wait, what is lap 2? So I thought we lapped it again.
Yeah.
But my Yushin time was 45, and you got 53 seconds, which is below your average. And I did 1, and well, I'm still working on this one.
1 1/4. But to get a 3x3 in the time that it took me, and then get to work on another one. It's impressive. And this is how good his tutorial is, that I only started this the other day, kind of working on these things, and it was easy to memorize the algorithm. So if you want to learn the 2x2 and how to solve it, his video is awesome.
Okay guys, thanks for watching, so make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell to get notifications.